In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a free email signature using HubSpot's email signature generator tool. Whether you're running a business or simply want to make your emails look more professional, creating a distinctive email signature can make a huge difference. With HubSpot's tool, you can achieve that at no cost. So, let's dive into how you can set this up seamlessly. To begin this process, you will first need to navigate to the HubSpot user guide. Go ahead and open your web browser and simply type in the URL for HubSpot's user guide, which will lead you to the dashboard. If you're already familiar with HubSpot, you'll recognize the interface immediately. It's intuitive and user-friendly to make navigation easy. Once you're on the dashboard, your next step is to locate and click on the settings icon. This is usually found in the main menu, often symbolized by a gear or cogwheel icon, which signifies settings. Clicking here will take you into the depths of your account settings, where you can customize and tweak different preferences according to your needs. After opening the settings, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and find the Email section. Clicking on this will bring up options related to email configurations in your HubSpot account. This is a critical part of setting up your new email signature, ensuring everything works smoothly with your current email settings. Now, within the Email section, you should see an option that says Manage Email Signatures. Give this a click, and you'll be taken to the page where you can craft your personalized email signature. This tool is incredibly versatile, allowing you to add elements like your name, title, company logo, contact details, and even social media icons. Take your time to experiment with different layouts and designs until you find the one that perfectly represents your brand or personal image. While you're working on your signature, keep in mind that simplicity often works best. You want your contact details to be easy to read and accessible, while also giving off a professional vibe. Consider the balance of text, images, and space so that your signature is visually appealing but not overwhelming. Once you're satisfied with your design, make sure you save your changes. Some systems will prompt you to save before you exit, ensuring that all your hard work isn't lost. With HubSpot, once saved, you should be able to implement your new signature across your email communications immediately. And just like that, you've crafted a striking email signature with the help of HubSpot's free tool. With this new feature, all your email correspondence will stand out and leave a lasting impression on your recipients. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in personalizing your emails with a standout signature.